GitHub Spark AI is here, and if you're considering jumping on the latest AI software bandwagon, you're going to want to know these 7 crucial things before you make your decision. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what this new tool brings to the table and how it could change the way you approach your workflow. Now, before we dive in, you can try GitHub Spark AI for free through the link in the description below. But let's get into what makes this software so exciting and why it's generating so much buzz in the AI space. First up, GitHub Spark AI is built to accelerate the development of AI solutions, making it easier for developers to integrate machine learning into their projects. This software doesn't just stop at basic tools, it provides a set of highly efficient and user-friendly features that cater to both beginners and seasoned professionals. One of the standout aspects of Spark AI is how well it integrates with GitHub, which is a huge advantage for developers already using that platform. What makes GitHub Spark AI really unique is its flexibility. Whether you're working on a small project or a large-scale system, it adapts to the scope of your needs. You're not locked into rigid structures, so you can modify and scale your use of the software as your project evolves. It also handles diverse AI tasks, from natural language processing to predictive analytics, with ease. That means you're getting a powerful suite of tools without the complexity that often comes with other AI platforms. Another feature that stands out is the seamless collaboration it enables. GitHub Spark AI makes it easy to share code, track changes, and work with team members in real time. If you're working in a collaborative development environment, this tool brings everything you need into one space. That's a major productivity booster. And with GitHub's strong version control, you can easily manage multiple versions of your AI models. You'll also appreciate the customizability. GitHub Spark AI lets you tweak the machine learning models to fit your specific needs. If you're a developer who likes to dive into the nitty-gritty details, you'll be able to fine-tune the software and take control of how your AI models perform. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, which is crucial for developers looking for the best performance in their projects. In terms of performance, GitHub Spark AI has been optimized for speed. It's designed to handle large data sets with minimal lag. And whether you're working with structured or unstructured data, the software delivers impressive processing times. For data scientists, this means faster model training and quicker results, cutting down on the time it takes to get from concept to deployment. What's also fantastic is the level of support you get. GitHub Spark AI offers an extensive documentation library, plus a community that's as active as it gets. If you're stuck or need help, you'll find tons of tutorials, guides, and a forum of users who are ready to assist. This community-driven support makes the learning curve much easier to handle. Now, I want to highlight something important. GitHub Spark AI isn't just for developers. It's designed for anyone looking to leverage AI technology. If you're new to AI, the software provides ample tools to help you get started without feeling overwhelmed. You can access pre-built models that you can implement with minimal customization, making it an excellent choice for people just starting to explore the world of AI. So, by now you can see why GitHub Spark AI is turning heads. With its seamless integration, powerful features, and user-friendly design, it's one of the most exciting new AI tools for both beginners and pros. But here's the thing, the best way to see if it's right for you is to try it yourself. Again, check the link in the description to give GitHub Spark AI a test drive for free. And as always, if you want to discover the best AI tools for your needs, I've got some recommendations in the description below. After testing thousands of AI platforms, these are the ones I trust the most, and they're all available for you to try for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.